So here I have a Cisco 7925 wireless device as well as a Cisco 7970 desk phone, which I'm going to use to demonstrate how the push-to-talk application works. For this purpose, I've created a group called Code Blue Group, and these two devices are part of this group, and we're going to show how to one-key invoke the push-to-talk session from both devices. Users of a 7925 device can simply use the side button to invoke the push-to-talk session and to control it. This side button functions very similar to a walkie-talkie device and can be used in two different ways to invoke and end the push-to-talk session. So one way is to click and hold the button for the duration of the audio session, and to end the audio session simply release the button. And another way is to click release to initiate the audio session and click release to end the audio session. I'm going to use the latter to demonstrate the product. So as soon as I click, the push-to-talk session is initiated and the audio will leave the organizer's device and arrive at the recipient's device. And you can see the little indicator that indicates the audio is leaving this device. And you can see the little indicator here for incoming audio on the recipient's device. So at any point, I can select the side button again and release it to end the audio session. This is a one-way audio leaving the organizer's device, arriving at the recipient's device. And once the organizer ends the audio session, now anyone within the group, including the recipients, can now initiate the push-to-talk session back to the rest of the group. If they're carrying a 7925 device, they can simply use the side button, and if they're using a desk phone, a soft key button will be presented to them to initiate the push-to-talk session. To initiate a push-to-talk session from desk phones such as a 7970 device, the side buttons can be configured to invoke the push-to-talk session to a predefined group of people. For example, here we have Code Blue Group 1 configured, and the user can simply select this button to initiate a push-to-talk session to the group. And as you can see now, the audio is leaving this device. Users of a 7925 or any other Cisco wireless devices need to be aware of two things when using the product. One is that they need to make sure that the audio volume of the speaker is high enough so that the incoming broadcast is audible, and also make sure that they have enough bar here at the top so that they know they have not left the coverage area, because in that case they will not be able to initiate or receive any audio